The evolution of positioning technology in India is a journey from laborious, time-consuming conventional methods to real-time centimeter-level positioning in just seconds. It began in 1802 with the Great Trigonometrical Survey, one of the most ambitious surveying projects in history, led by the Survey of India. In the early era, positioning depended on observations of the sun, stars, and natural landmarks. Distances were measured manually using chains and ropes. These traditional surveying methods were time-consuming, tedious, and highly labor-intensive, often taking months to determine the location of a single point. Also, in 1802, the Great Theodolite was introduced in India. Using triangulation and traversing techniques, surveyors could accurately calculate positions across vast regions. This marked the beginning of systematic scientific surveying and laid the foundation for India's modern mapping framework. By the late 1800s and early 1900s, instruments like the plane table and dumpy level became widely used for topographical and field surveys. Improving observations and mapping processes came during the 1970s and 1980s with electronic distance measurement, or EDM instruments. These devices transformed distance measurement from long manual procedures into faster electronic operations. Then, in the late 1980s to early 1990s, total stations were introduced in India. Combining EDM technology with the theodolite, these instruments measured both distance and angles together, reducing survey durations from months to days and eventually from days to hours. During the 1990s, GPS-based surveying revolutionized positioning. Surveyors could now determine locations using satellites without depending on line-of-sight methods. By the 2000s, differential GPS or DGPS further improved positioning by providing corrected satellite data for higher accuracy. Today, India has entered the era of real-time geospatial positioning through the Survey of India's nationwide CORS network, officially launched in 2023. CORS, continuously operating reference stations, are installed approximately every 50 to 60 kilometers across the country. A rover receiver in the field connects to the nearest station and receives corrected data in real time. The result, positioning in just 2 to 3 seconds with accuracy in centimeters. From chains and celestial observations to satellite-enabled real-time corrections, the evolution of positioning technology in India reflects more than 2 centuries of innovation and nation building.